It's 5:22 a.m. Quite early, but waiting for the train to catch our flight 7:40 to Madeira. Should be a good trip.
Various restrictions regarding COVID, but one thing hasn't changed here is the use of face masks. So do please make.
So this is the apartment. Got a bed for me. Got a nice view from the balcony. Got Ash and Poppy sleeping there. That's the balcony view. Nice and mountainous. It's really spacious actually. And we have the bathroom. It's quite nice. Ash, you enjoying your poncha?
I'm loving it, man. Amazing.
I am really nice experience.
This is a can you announce?
You can say.
It's a mixed seafood and shellfish cataplana.
We have 210 years on the market. We started in 1811.
Two beers and a poncha. There you go, mate.
Cheers. Alright, so we're doing a bar crawl. It's the first one. We've got our ponchas and check out the view. Stunning.
We're starting back to where we started from last night. Let's go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Alright, so we got number 2.
Ready to rock and roll, let's do it.
Let's do it.
So this is the regional poncha being made for us, handmade.
Yes, it's with lemon, orange juice, honey, and aguardiente.
Oh, firewater, is it? Or?
Yes, firewater like that.
Okay.
Yeah, we do with a little stronger, like 60.
Oh, okay. Are those the lemons that you use?
Yeah,
Wow,
the yellow one, orange juice.
brilliant. Thank you so much. Taste number 4. 1,
Taste.
2, 3, 4. It's 4.
Yeah, 4.
Poppy's here with us. Well, let's cheers to it.
number 4. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay, so we miscounted. This is actually number 4. Yeah, we're drunk already. But yeah, number 4. Cheers.
That's it, guys.
Lovely.
Your fourth Poncha.
Yeah. What's going on? Look at this. That is so beautiful.
We're at place number 5. We've got our poncha and our rosé. How's it taste?
It's good. It's quite strong. It's really like it.
Yeah.
We're about to take a toboggan sledge down the mountain.
It's quite exciting, really.
Look at this guy here.
Look at those two. Wow. So I'm a few ponchas in, just taking the cable car down. It's a pretty nice view, like got the sea behind me. It's overall looking quite good. Right, number 9.
We missed out a few.
We missed out a few, got a bit drunk, forgot to do it.
That is quite nice, actually.
That is a gourmet burger.
Last day in this place, really gonna miss it. It's quite sad. Ash put a bit of passion fruit in his prosecco.
Yeah, it's a fish swimming around.